Do we have anything we really want to talk about for these? Oh, yeah. Just leave it on the desk next to you. Okay, so we have sulfuric acid and sugar. What type of compound, and I want you to think back to biology class, what kind of compound is sugar? Carbohydrate. So do you guys remember what our formula for sugar is? C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Good. So what elements do we have in carbohydrates and sugar? Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Good. Okay. I'm going to tell you something about sulfuric acid. This is concentrated sulfuric acid, so it's pretty much as concentrated as it can be. So it's very strong. When we pour sulfuric acid onto something that contains, onto sugar, for example, it's going to dehydrate it. What does dehydrate mean? Suck out the water. So if I am sucking out the water from this sugar, what's water made of? H2O. If I'm sucking the water out of this, what am I going to be left with? Carbon. So what is our prediction? Let's make a prediction. What do we think this is going to look like when it's done? It's just, what's carbon look like? Oh, that's good. Good start. Okay, it's going to look like carbon. What does carbon look like on its own? You don't know? Do you guys know what? Okay, so some things that are carbon in its purest form are diamonds. Diamonds are carbon in its purest form. Ashes are made of carbon in its purest form. Anything else that you guys can think of that is carbon?
Because you can pressurize burning ash.
Anything else? Okay. What? Carbon on its own? I don't think so. Yeah, that's what we're getting. What's graphite? So the different forms of carbon, ash is just tiny little particles of carbon stuck together. They're like little balls of soot. Diamonds are very nice structured, like our crystal structures. So diamonds are very nicely structured. That's why they look so pretty and shiny. And graphite, the carbon's actually, the carbon's in layers. The way it bonds together, it's in layers, which is why when we write with our pencils, the layers slide off onto the paper. And that's why we can write with it. So those little layers slide off of that pencil as we write. Okay. So we have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We said that this is going to turn. So what do you think this is going to look like? Is it going to look like diamonds when it's done? Maybe a little like ashes. Okay. Do we have any other predictions about this reaction? Think it might bubble? Anything else? We've talked about some different indications of a chemical reaction. So, you think it might get hot? Maybe it'll get hot. You think it might look like ashes when it's done? What else? Anything else? Okay, we ready? This giant stirring rod. Ready, we're ready, we're ready. Everyone watching? Can everyone see this? Okay. You sure? Yeah. You guys want to back up? No. I don't know. Someone said heat and stuff, so I don't know what's going to happen. You right here. Okay. Sure? Pause it. Okay, I'll do it. Hey, Gabby.
Wow. Oh, it turned yellow. I bet this has a smell. It's like
hey! Girl, stuck to the side. That's not scientific language.
Oh yeah, we said it. Like color, color, like how it's like. Oh, that's where's the water?
I don't know. We'll find out. I'm gonna get. Carbon is ugly. Yeah. Okay. Start writing down observations.
I'm serious.
Okay, whoa, wait, watch.
What? Whoa. Oh my god, it's like a volcano. It's like a why is it? It looks like it's growing.
Hey, wait. What do we notice? That's gone so far. David. got a good mix this time.
Smells a little more.
Smells a little burnt. Write it down. What does it smell like?
It smells sweet.
Awful. Yeah, it smells a little sweet.
It smells like
Smells like raisins. Write it down.
Yeah, brown sugar.
it smells exactly like brown sugar.